these three Nigerian stocks has the tendency of crashing this month, the month of June, and if care is not taken, it might crash even up to July, August, September, October, November, December. But anyways, before we delve into these three Nigerian stocks that I think that are going to crash, let us take a look at the First Bank stock. So there's a video that I made, which I'm going to attach the link of that video to this particular video. So check the link of this video in the description box of this particular video. In that video, I mentioned three stocks that are about to explode in 2026. And as you can see, First Bank was one of those stocks, and this is where the price of First Bank was at that moment. But right now, First Bank has dumped into the buy zone. Now you can start investing in First Bank from this particular zone. So I just wanted to call your attention to that First Bank has come into our buy zone, and you can use the strategy DCA. And for those of you that don't know how to DCA or what DCA means, I'm also going to attach a link of DCA and how to DCA to this particular video. So make sure you check it in the description box of this particular video. Now, having said that, let's check these three stocks that are about to crash or are going to crash crazily this month of June, and it might extend to July, August, depending on the volatility of the market. In a nutshell, these three stocks are not a good buy right now, and I'm going to show you how deep I think is going to dump, and then the buy zones you could start investing in on them. And then for those of you that are holding these stocks, I think you should also consider selling off some of your holdings and then setting a new buy order for these particular stocks, I mean to say. So the first stock is Dangote Sugar. Sugar. So let's check it out. So yep, Dangote Sugar Refinery. So this is what Dangote Sugar Refinery's chart looks like on the 1 week time frame. But to filter the noise, right, and not to waste your time, I'm going to do this analysis on the monthly time frame. Okay, so this is the 1 month time frame. On the 1 month time frame, we have something that have come up or have shown on the 1 month time frame, and that is what we call a hammer candle. So you can see the first candle. This second one is a hammer candle, but the crazy thing is that it's not an ordinary hammer, it is an inverted hammer. So I need you to do more research on what an inverted hammer means, for those of you that don't know. But then, okay, this inverted hammer have shown an inverted hammer, to make it simpler for you, shows us that the market wants to dump depending on the asset. And right now, we're talking about Dangote Sugar. So a huge sales is about to come in. Investors are about to take some profits off their investment on Dangote Sugar. And I think you should not allow the bigger guys take their profits before you do. Okay? So, and for those of you that wants to invest in Dangote Sugar, I think now is not the right time to invest, but I'm going to show you the right time to invest in this video. And again, come to think of it, Dangote's refinery IPO should be coming out anytime soon from now. So probably investors are taking off their money off other Dangote products and they want to invest in Dangote, or rather they want to buy the Dangote IPO, right? So that might also be the case why they are taking off profits. So now, for those of you that might be considering investing in Dangote Sugar, I'm going to show you the best time for you to buy this Dangote Sugar. Okay, so that's my super Fibonacci, by the way, I just placed. I've already, for this Fibonacci to be working for me, I have already figured out and checked the trend of the market, and the trend of the market is now flipped and is changed to bearish. And I'm going to show you another reason why my conviction is that strong. Okay, so this is our buy order for Dangote Sugar. So yeah, it is what it is. So let me take my Fibonacci off. Right now I've gotten everything I need. So I'm expecting this move downwards like this before we have another buy. So right now, Dangote's refinery sugar, or rather Dangote Sugar Refinery, the stock as at the time of making this video per unit is going for 72 naira. But I'm expecting a retracement down to at least about 53.55 naira per unit before I'm then, projecting and expecting that we might have a huge pump to 138 naira per unit. And if this goes as planned, as I've analyzed, you'll be making 159% profit. So let's say you put in a $1,000 into this, or rather 1,000 naira into this, you'll be making a profit of 1,590 naira. If you place your buy order at 53.55 and sell at 138 per unit. Okay, so right now I'm thinking, not thinking, by the way, this is what the chart shows. No emotions, no sentiment. This is what the chart is showing at the moment. So not to waste time here, let's move over to the next stock, and that stock is Honeywell. So Honey has already shown a bearish sign. The first bearish sign is shown is this: top one, top two. It failed to break above this top here. And anytime we have this pattern shows top one, top two, we call it double top pattern. It simply shows that, or indicate that there's now going to be a change of trend from an uptrend to a downtrend, or there's going to be a downward retracement, depending on how you want to describe it. Okay, it all depends on individuals. Okay, so right now, see what I'm expecting. I'm going to show you what I'm expecting from this. Okay, so let me start from the bottom where we had this massive impulsive buy from here. Let me start from here. Then I push this up to this point. Yeah, so I'm expecting this move. So we have this retracement down to this point. Then boom. The future of Honeywell is actually interesting. It's going to be a massive gains and profit for those of you that invest. But for now, this is the move. I know this is not what some of you were expecting. Some of you might be expecting that, oh, this guy wants to show us the one that will crash. To be very honest, Nigerian stock is extremely bullish at the moment. I don't think we'll be having crazy crashes in the market. Instead, we'll just be having a healthy retracement downwards before another impulsive move. So some of you feel like you have missed out already on Nigerian stocks. You have not missed out. There's so much room for growth, so much opportunity that's going to play out in the coming future. Okay, so this is my setup for Honeywell. Okay, so for Honeywell, currently the market price is at 18.2 naira per unit, but I'm expecting a downward retracement into 13.90 per unit zone, and into that zone one can start buying and start with DCA. Like I said, if you don't know what DCA means or how it works, there's a link in the description box that I attached to this particular video. Make sure you go there and watch it. Yes, that one is showing how to DCA in crypto, but crypto is also a financial market, so that DCA strategy, I mean to say, can apply for every single financial market. Then the next stock we should be looking at, don't be in a hurry to buy. Just set your limit orders and you can be able to purchase these stocks and make wonderful ROI in the future. Then again, before we check out FCMB, there's a link in the description box of this video. Sign up on Bamboo. Use the code BIGGESTDC. It's also in the description box of this video. I mean to say, use the code BIGGESTDC as your ref code and sign up and start investing. Okay. And for those of you that don't know how to navigate Bamboo, I created a video for that. I'm also going to be attaching the link to that video to this particular. I'm also going to be attaching the link of that video to the description box of this particular video. Okay. So FCMB, here we go. So with FCMB, it's actually interesting. I'm going to show you how to invest in FCMB, how to go about it. For now, I think FCMB is going to do a healthy retracement. So let's start from the first impulsive move to the top here. So I don't think you should be in a hurry to want to invest in FCMB right now, okay? So for those of you that have invested already, consider taking profits. God has blessed you. You have made money already. So consider taking profits. Then, yep, this is what we have for FCMB. So be patient. It's not the way First Bank stock actually retrace to that buy zone. So imagine you had bought earlier. The retracement could have been you in loss. You understand what I'm saying? The retracement could have been you in loss. So just be patient. The financial market rewards patient people. Okay. So this is my FCMB setup. Please, like I said, I don't think you should be in a hurry. Sorry a second, let me put this. I don't think you should be in a hurry to want to invest. Just be patient. Okay. So yeah, this is it. This is my FCMB analysis. Okay. So currently FCMB is at 11.25%. I'm expecting a retracement down to 5.75%. Rather, not percent naira, I mean to say 11.25 naira. I'm expecting a retracement down to 5.75. And to be honest, that's about a 50% retracement. Okay, so don't rush. Just set your limit orders or monitor the market. When it comes down to that place, you invest. Okay, mind you, none of these is a financial advice. All of them are just for educational purposes and entertainment purposes. Anyways, back to this. So make sure you try to take action. Okay? So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know the stock you want me to analyze and check out. And if you have any questions, ask me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications. Make sure you share this video to a stock enthusiast out there. See you in the next one. Bye.